we see here a question. A disk is rolling without slipping with angular velocity omega. P and Q are 2 points equidistant from the center C. The order of magnitude of velocity is what? From the figure we see here, a disk rolling with angular velocity omega, and angular velocity during its motion is constant, and at any instant we see here at point O velocity is 0, VO is equal to 0, and we also know that linear velocity V is equal to R omega. If omega is constant, then V is directly proportional to R. So see the distance of the points Q, C and P from the O. We see here OQ is less than OC and OC is less than OP. It means RQ is less than RC is less than RP. It means VQ is less than VC is less than VP. We see the option here, VP is greater than VC and VC is greater than VQ. Okay.